Hello, in this opportunity I'm talking about augmented reality for the treatment of arachnophobia. Exposure therapy. My name is Julio Vladimir. I am a student at the National University of Cañete. This investigation is divided into 7 parts: introduction, problem, objective, method, result, discussion, and conclusion. In the introduction, currently augmented reality can be represented as the integration of virtual 3D objects into real environments in order to enrich their perception in a non-immersive environment. In this sense, Bezares et al. 2020 technologies have already shown their utility in this area. For example, virtual reality, augmented reality has been shown to be effective in treating various specific phobias. Also, behavioral and cognitive behavioral treatments have the greatest empirical support for the treatment of phobias in teenagers. They are all variants of the exposure technique, but applied in a more gradual and less aversive way, such as the systematic life desensitization technique, reinforced practice and participant modeling. Quero et al. 2014. The problem. People who suffer phobias try to avoid the specific object or feared situation, creating a great obstacle and causing serious consequences. In their daily life, the most effective way to deal with a phobia is through exposure therapy. According to one of the most important principles of the psychology, establishes that to overcome a fear, you have to face it. The objective: to develop a mobile application with augmented reality to overcome spider phobia. The method: we will apply agile software development. This agile work approach is a set of good practice to obtain positive results in relation to the development of a mobile application based on continuous deliveries to the user and adapting to the change it requires, with greater productivity and interaction constant between the client and developer. Ramirez, 2019. For this reason, it has been divided into 3 phases. We have a design, architecture, development. In the results, the mobile app is represented in which the user can familiarize himself with the feared object, overcoming his phobia towards spiders in a basic way, using as a marker an arachnid capture on paper. In the picture 1 and 2, where it shows a button that leads to the levels of spider phobia, and in another circle button it shows us a little information about arachnophobia. In the picture 3, at level 1 in as shown a friendly spider type. In the picture 4, at level 2 an unfriendly and more formed spider is shown. In the picture 5, a more morphologically prepared spider with real movement is shown. In the picture 6, finally, a small questionnaire about your experience in the mobile application with augmented reality. In the discussion, the mobile application with augmented reality allows students to overcome their phobia a basic way. Perhaps one as a spectator without those type of phobias, we can see it from another perspective. But in the case of people affected by said phobias toward spiders, the reality is totally different and irresistible to interact with the animal, in this case the spider. According to Mero 2018, implementing any type of application in a health center for the treatment of phobias. Nothing that in many cases this type of technology is not known. It's very helpful. With the development of the composite mobile application with augmented reality, it was obtained as a result of the students of the IE San Agustin overcoming their phobia. With the basic levels of the mobile application, having greater control when it comes to seeing this type of animal spiders. Finally, we have the conclusion. Virtual objects with augmented reality are of great importance in these cases of phobias, since they simulate a feared object without exposing danger to the user. In addition, representing a morphologically well-designed spider with movement, it gives more realism to the user, which agrees with Chumpitas and Segovia 2018, who states in his research that each level has new changes, such as less light, more sound effects, more objects or animals, more details or other factors that can make the environment more frightening for the user and have a greater impression. We have the reference. Thank you very much.